Okay, let's go over the USD pairs. We're going to start with the AUDUSD, and I do see a new level here, and we're just going to mark this up. If we get down into this area, I'm going to look to go long on using the USGfx trend report EA. I'll try it a couple times. I'll look for a 3-to-1 reward to risk. So we'll see what this week happens down in this area. I'm on the weekly chart, so I'm going to drop down to the 1 hour and just add an alert. At weekly support, and then we'll go back to the weekly, and we can see, we'll just wait for this and see what happens this week. Okay, let's drop down to the Euro USD. Okay, so we're in an area here. I am looking to go long. If we do break and start trading down below here on either the daily or the 4 hour, then I'm going to take the EA off and I'm not going to look for longs anymore. But I'll see if I can go long here and get a 3-to-1. Okay, pound USD. I'm not going to do anything within this area here. I'll wait and see if we get a drop this week or a nice bullish candle to create either a bearish zone or a bullish zone for the week after. So this week I'll just let it do its thing and then see what happens on next week's analysis. Okay, New Zealand USD. We did get a bit of a drop there. Bunch of blue candles, so I didn't get any new resistance areas. So I'm just going to wait on the New Zealand USD. Okay, USDCAD. If something happened and we got a big spike right up into this area, I'll look to go short. Otherwise, I'm just going to wait and see what happens this week and see if we close with a bullish weekly candle and create a bullish support zone here. So I'm not going to do anything on the USDCAD this week. USD Swiss. You can see I do have some zones down here, and these are based off of the daily. So we'll just open this up here a little bit more so you can see it a bit clearly. We've got the weekly zone here. I've got a green, 2 blue, and then another green. So I've marked up the weekly zone, and within that zone, since this is a fairly big weekly zone, we can drop down to the daily. And you can see I've got 2 other zones within that weekly zone nested. So if we get down into this first zone here, I'm going to look to go long, go for a 3-to-1 reward to risk. I'll have the USGfx trend report EA trading. And then if we do go down into this area, I will do the same thing. And I'm going to put the EA on a 15-minute chart for the USD Swiss. We can drop down to a 15-minute chart. And I'm just going to right click, add an alert once per close. And then I'm just going to put at daily support, hit create. And now if we do drop down into this area, I'll put the EA on looking for longs. That's the USD Swiss. We can go back to the weekly chart here. The USD Yen, I am looking for a deeper pullback into here to go long. If we do go into the 1 hour, we can see there would have been a nice trade right here. It wasn't very deep into it. And then we've just been hovering around this this top line here. So I'm waiting to see if we can get a deeper retracement into it, and then I'll look to go long or have the EA look for a long position again for a 3-to-1 reward to risk. And that is it for the USD pairs this week. Hope this puts a good plan together for you guys, and we will talk to you guys later.